Yes, good evening. We've reached Penzance. It's just gone past 7 o'clock in the evening. You can see St. Michael's castle sitting on the island. And you can see the view of the Penzance Bay. And the people, the houses living on the cliffs. So it's a lovely view. The sky's blue. Quite a few people roaming about. So this is Penzance. So nearby where I'm standing, there's the Penzance station just further up from here. So if you're walking straight, you can get to the Penzance station and you can make your way back to London. But just to let you know that the Penzance station is the last station, because that's really at the south part. So if you're going somewhere like Land's End or St. Ives or St. Just, you need to travel by car, so there's no train going there, or just take a taxi. The great thing about coming to Cornwall, or if you're visiting any other destination apart from Cornwall, such as Devon or Lake District or somewhere up in Scotland, it's that your sense of adventure opens up, regardless of how much stress you have. As you can see, there's an amusement centre here if you'd like to take your children. There's a shop for fish and chips. And if you walk further up, there are B&Bs and guest houses. And if you walk further up, you can see some boats and lots of houses embarked on the cliffs. So it's a beautiful spot to be in, Penzance. The locals who live in Penzance normally talk about the pirates of Penzance, but I'm not going to go into detail for that, because I don't really know the story too much. But however, thank you very much. I just wanted to show you the Penzance of my vlog, and we have arrived. So the time is just above 7 and we're approaching towards sunset, and we're just keeping our fingers crossed that maybe at some point we'll be able to see a sunset in Penzance. We did manage to see one in Newquay.